The dance is next week, but nobody's asked me yet.
Why don't you ask them?
Easy for you to say. You two have been together like forever.
Yeah.
You're like an old married couple.
You're just jealous.
Maybe.
Come on, let's go. We've got that assignment we gotta get done.
Right. The assignment. See ya. So, my parents won't be home for a few hours. We've got the place to ourselves again.
Yeah, last weekend was fun, but I really want to work on our assignment. It's due tomorrow.
We've got lots of time. Don't worry about it. I just need to unwind a bit first. Let's get a snack and watch Netflix.
Okay, fine, but just one episode. Then we have to get started. Okay, let's do our homework.
Really? You're actually serious?
I really want to get it done. There will be other times when your parents aren't home.
I can't believe this. You just said last weekend was fun. You've never had a problem with this before.
I'm just not feeling it right now. Can we just work on our assignment?
Stop it. I already said we have lots of time. I thought you loved me. I guess not if you're not into this. Come on. Let's have some fun before we get to work.
Okay, let's do our homework.
Really?
I really want to get it done. There will be other times when your parents aren't home.
Okay. No worries. Let's get started. I'll go get my backpack.
Could you get mine too?
You got it, babe.
Thank you.